Hi, Jolene Dalton, and welcome back to Dalton Physical Therapy and Fitness. Going through a few more techniques for release for your body, for stretching your body. If you have one of these at home, maybe deflated somewhere in a closet or laying in the corner of your room, they're great little tools for a few simple releases. Pretty obvious ones, of course, kneeling in front of the ball. Go ahead and wrap your body over the ball, hang. If you drop your head, you can feel a nice elongation of your spine. I feel, for example, a nice stretch going on in my low back. You can turn to the side and do that a little bit sideways. And I recommend either leaning your ball up against something to stabilize it, or get a good opened straddle type positioning of your legs so that you can stabilize yourself, because they do roll around. And then you can do a nice reach over the top of the ball. Let your head hang, let your arms hang, and get a good opening on either side of your body. And then lastly, and obviously on this one, on your back, you can find any particular part of your back if you want to sit a little bit more in a bent hip position and let your body drape over the ball. This way it gets a nice chest stretch, similar to when we did the stretch on the foam roller, as well as bringing your arms all the way up over the top. You can even touch the ground to stabilize and let the upper torso cause a little bit of distraction and release through the rest of your spine. And then just be careful coming up. Make sure you have something nearby if you're a little bit unsteady about the balance, and eventually you'll improve on that. We'll give you a few more tips and techniques before we wrap up our stretch series. In our next video, I'll show you a few smaller items that you can easily have around your home for release techniques. So hopefully you've signed up for the workshop by now if you want to learn some additional information. Thanks for watching.